Hi, it's Aideen here with a quick tip on how to transform your limiting beliefs. I used to say, I want to be a singer, but I can't do that. Now, that was when I was 28 and I had been singing for many years. And for whatever reason, my brain just could not see me as someone who would sing, professionally. I didn't see myself as a real singer, okay? There's lots of ways that we think in our minds that are unhelpful. And that's what I would say. I would say some, thoughts and some ways of thinking are helpful and some are unhelpful. But how do we change them? It can be really tough because the pathways that our, thoughts go along, they're called the neural pathways. They're almost like a path in a field. You could actually see a path through a field of, barley or something. And it's there because so many people have walked through it, or it's been walked through so many times. When we try to change our thinking, it's like we decide to take a different path through the field. But when we do it once, you can't tell that anyone walked that way once. You have to go through that path 10, 20 times before you can see that path, before it becomes a new pathway. So to change our minds, it can take a little bit of repetition. My favorite way to help change my mind is to ask myself a new question. Our brain is wired to answer the questions that we ask it. But sometimes we ask an unhelpful question like, why is my singing so bad? Why does no one care about my singing? Why am I so lazy, for instance, or why can't I get things done? Why am I so underappreciated at work? So whatever things are going through your mind, whatever questions are going through your mind, your brain finds answers to those. So if you're asking, why am I not appreciated at work? You will find an answer for that. Well, because so-and-so doesn't give a, or because that person takes all the credit. And we find unhelpful answers to our unhelpful questions. And those answers are very disempowering. I found out about these different style of questions from Noah St. John and his book, The Great Little Book of Afformations. And I would highly recommend you look it up. But here's how to do it. You take the old negative question like, why does no one care about my singing? You turn it into a positive question. Why do people care about my singing? And you don't try to figure that out or answer the question. You just pose the question because our brain is wired to look for that answer in an unconscious way. So ask yourself that question. Why do people care about my singing? Why is my singing improving? Why am I so appreciated at work? Why am I becoming more happy? Why is singing becoming more easy and fun? Why am I enjoying life so much? Here's one that I have on my desk right now. I'll show you this. Why is my life about to change for the better? I don't even need to answer that question, but by asking myself that question and having it there, it makes me feel more empowered. It's a helpful question to ask. So that's my tip for you today. Take the old questions you used to ask, maybe write them down, and then turn them into the opposite style of question and see how that transforms how you feel about the situations that are annoying you in your life right now. It completely changed the way I think and the way I feel about my life. So I hope it does the same for you. Let me know. I would love to hear about it. And I'm here for you if you want any help with that too. Take care. Bye-bye.